Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sirajuddin bin Ismail along with my teammates Muhammad Ridwan bin Mujiri and Noor Atirah binti Kasmadi. We will present you the report of our group project titled Bus Booking System.
Introduction. The objective of this report is to show the process and the result of the program. We have created a program where the user can purchase a bus ticket without going to the bus station. We made this program because it can save a lot of time and people does not have to queue at the counter just for the bus ticket. Most people are having difficulties to purchase bus ticket, especially students who does not have time to do a survey about which is the best and what a bus company can offer. Also, it can save their time and they do not have to hovering at the bus station. In this manner, we decided to construct a program which can be utilized by everyone, especially to students, so that it helps them to spare time and fetch to buy their tickets rather than coming out to the bus station to purchase them. It takes every data from the user and the system will find the best bus ticket for them. For example, which is the best package or which is the best budget for their budget. Algorithm used in application. We use 3 algorithms. For the first, totaling. Totaling algorithm is used to sum a list of numbers. Every system that required to calculate things must apply this algorithm in their own system. This is because totaling algorithm will help us to calculate everything related to numbers such as calculate price and discount. This algorithm will help our system to total the overall price so that we can display it on the receipt and give it to the customer. It will total the tax and discount in our system too. Second, counting. In coding, being able to keep count of things is very important. We might want to keep count of data, items, or even the number of repetition that might take place in a loop. That's why the counting algorithm is very important to help us with those problems. Counting algorithm will help us to count the input that have been entered in our system. It will manage and run the system without any problem. Third, sorting. When someone enters the input that required to be filled one by one, sorting is the best way to keep the list in a certain order. Sorting is important in every system for optimizing the efficiency of other algorithms that require input to be in sorted list. This algorithm will help our system to sort the input so that the user can enter it one by one without making any problem, and it will easier those users while entering it. This algorithm will make our system looks more organized. Concept and techniques programming we use in application. First of all, we use concrete class processor. In the concrete class name processor, we create a normal constructor for public processor. Next, we use mutator method for attribute, name, age, destination and citizen. After that, we also create some calculate method for price, discount, tax and total price. Lastly, at the end of the concrete class, we create an encoding to display output as a ticket. Second, application class, bus booking app. In application class named bus booking app, we use Java scanner to read input from the user. Next, we also create new objects. Lastly, we use print R method.
Okay, next I'm going to explain object design. First, we look at UML class diagram. In UML class diagram, we have 5 different classes which is consist of 2 parents class and 3 child class. Okay, I'm going to explain the customer class. In customer class, we have 4 attributes. Those attributes are name, age, destination, and citizen. In customer class, we also have 4 different methods. Those methods are set name, set age, set destination, and set citizen. Then we move to citizen status class, which is child class for our customer class. The relationship between them is inheritance. In citizen class, we have 1 attribute and 1 method. Those are citizen and set citizen. Next, let's move to two child class for citizen status class. This child class consists of tax and discount. Now let's look at the tax first. In tax, we have one attribute, which is tax, and the method class, which consists of three: set tax, get citizen, and card tax. While in discount class, we also have one attribute, which is discount, and three methods, which are set discount, get citizen, and card discount. Both of these child class connect using composition relationship. This is because when there is no citizen status class, parent class, we will not have tax and discount class, child class. Last, we look at our booking system. In the booking class, we have two attributes, which are name and receipt. The methods in booking class are many, and it consists of get name, get age, get destination, get citizen, get tax, get discount, and display receipt. Now we're going to talk about UML use case diagram for our bus booking system. Okay, first our system called bus booking system. The actor which is going to react to our system are two: customer, which is our primary actor, and system, which is our secondary actor. Now let's move into our system. In bus booking system, we have some use case that's going to be read from both actors. Those are name, age, destination, citizen status. In age use case, there will be include three use case, which is for our discount. Move to citizen status. In citizen status, we have two specialized class for our general class citizen status. Those are Malaysian status and non-Malaysian status. Next, our actor customer is going to check out, so there's a use case for checkout. While for system actor, it's going to calculate tax. In calculate tax, there are two use cases that's required for our calculate tax. Those are Malaysian equal to 10 ringgit use case, and non-Malaysian equals to 30 ringgit use case. Lastly, the system will display the receipt.
Now I'm going to talk about source code. First, we're going to look at concrete class. Our concrete class name as processor. As we look at the attribute, we have attribute in concrete processor. Four of them are input from application class, which is as string, name, age, destination, and citizen. But the other four is for calculation method, discount, tax, price, and price. Okay, we move to normal constructor. In normal constructor, we name as A, age as B, destination as C, citizen equal to T. Now we look at mutator method for attribute. We get name written to name, get age written to age, get destination written to destination, and get citizen written to citizen. Now we look at processor method. The processor method, this processor method is for calculate price. With double which price, if the target destination equal to A, the price will be 55 ringgit. Else if equal to B, the price will be 65 ringgit. As if equal to C, the price will be 50 ringgit. As if G, the price will be 60 ringgit. As if the interrupt code was correct, the system will state that the interrupt code was incorrect. Please enter the right code, return to price. Then we go to calculate discount. Public double discount if get age less than 7, discount will be 20%. As get age more than 8 and less than 80, the discount will be 30%. As if age more than 60, the discount will be 40%. As discount equal to discount return. Now we go to say calculate tax. Public double decide tax gets citizen equal to citizen, tax equal to 10 ringgit. Return to tax. Calculate, then we go to calculate total price, which is we calculate we include all which price, discount, and decided tax. And then here our output display ticket. Public string display ticket with this coding will display ticket. That's all from our code. Okay, now we will talk about application class. For Java scanner public class app. Our application class name as app. Okay, with scanner in equal to new scanner, so scanner in equal to new scanners. log in. Okay, this is our interface will look like. Okay, move to this. This is where the user will input the data, the unit, the name, your age, information. This is our create new object for processor PS equal to new processor A, B, C, D. Get name, get age from our previous config class. Yes. And this is our print up method. We will display ticket. It will take from our config class. Okay, that's all for our application class. Now I'm going to show you the input and output of this system. Okay, this is how our interface will look like. The system will ask you to enter your name. Let's put page. The system will ask you to enter your destination. I follow the code given. I'm going to choose D. Are you Malaysian citizen? True. And the system will calculate all and show us the output as a ticket. As you can see, the discount is 24% of the price given because age above 60 equals the discount will be 40%, and it's include that charge. That charge is 10 ringgit for Malaysian citizen, while 30 ringgit for non-Malaysian citizen. That's all.
Okay, now let's talk about program application weakness. Although we try to develop this program more user-friendly and easy to use, it has some weakness too. Some of the weakness we have given in details. We did not add any registration functions such as graphical user interface for users. Only the registered users can execute this program. We did not add any button for deleting the registered users from this program. Our program used match method. This method might be overloaded. In future, we can add more functions like deleting button for this program. We can also add the function for the user to repeat ordering without need to exit from the app. In conclusion, we made this system easier for anyone who wants to book a bus ticket. They only have to install this application in their smartphone. After that, they must fill in their details such as name, age, destination, and citizen status. Then, the system will calculate and show the price on the receipt to the user. With this application, it will make it a lot easier for people who are lazy to go out. Not just that, it's also a good thing for everyone who wants to social distancing since we are currently in a global pandemic. Lastly, in this era of technology, it is better to keep in touch and update ourselves with the current status of the world since everything is just at your fingertip and it is easy to anyone wherever we are.
That's the end of our presentation. Thanks for watching our presentation, and I hope that your 2021 will be awesome and blessed with joy, gratitude, and happiness. Thanks for guiding us through this semester, Miss Nomariani. Hope you like our presentation and remember to stay safe.